Hey digital enthusiast, ever wonder how Google decides what pops up in your search? Today we are diving into the world of Google keywords. Stick with us to master the art of ranking higher and reaching your audience more effectively. Point 1. Understanding Google keywords is a pivotal in the realm of search engine optimization, that is SEO, and digital marketing. Google keywords are the words or phrases that users enter into the search engine when looking for information, products, services, or answers to the questions. These keywords serve as a bridge connecting your content with your target audience, making them an integral part of any successful online strategy. Point 2. Research is key. When it comes to Google, researching keyword is a fundamental principle emphasizing the importance through investigation and analysis to identify the most effective keywords for search engine optimization. This process involves understanding what terms and phrases potential customers are using to search for products, services, or information related to your businesses or content online. By conducting comprehensive keyword research, you can identify high volume keywords, understand user intent, spot trends, and optimize for SEO. Point 3. Integration into content. Keyword integration involves strategically placing relevant keywords within your website's content, titles, meta descriptions, headers, and even URLs. The goal is to match the terms and phrases people commonly use in Google search when looking for information related to your content, products, or services. Point number 4. Monitoring performance. Monitoring performance on Google keyword is an essential aspect of search engine optimization and digital marketing strategy. It involves tracking and analyzing how selected keywords perform in search engine results over time. This process helps you understand the effectiveness of your SEO efforts and make data-driven decisions to optimize content and improve sites' visibility and ranking on Google. Point number 4. Don't ignore long-tail keywords. Emphasize the importance of targeting specific, often longer phrases in search engine optimization strategies. Unlike broad, single-word keywords, long-tail keywords are more detailed and closer to the actual queries people type into search engines. These keywords usually have lower search volumes but significantly less competition and higher conversion rates. By focusing on long-tail keywords, businesses and content creators can attract a more targeted audience ready to engage or make a purchase. Implementing these strategies effectively can transform your site into a traffic magnet. Remember, SEO and keyword optimization is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are your allies. And that's a wrap on Google keywords. Dive in, experiment, and watch as your digital presence grows. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, share with your network, and subscribe for more insightful content. But any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay curious.